Calm, focused, Oscar Pistorius arriving in court this morning, knowing that if this trial doesn't go his way, he could face life in prison. In the scrum outside, the mother of the woman he shot. This is June Steenkamp. She's never met Pistorius in the flesh before, but came to court today, she says, to look him in the eyes.
Accused count 1 is one of murder.
In courtroom D and live around the world, Pistorius rejected the charge that he deliberately murdered his girlfriend, Neighbour Steenkamp.
Do you understand the charges, Mr. Pistorius?
I do, my lady.
How do you plead?
Not guilty, my lady.
His lawyers said they would prove it was a terrible mistake, that Oscar had assumed Neighbour, a 29-year-old model, was an intruder hiding in his bathroom.
I had mistakenly believed that an intruder or intruders had entered my home and posed an imminent threat to Neighbour and me.
My bedroom windows were open because it was a very hot evening.
But then came the state's first witness, a neighbour, Michelle Berger, who didn't want to be filmed. She lives on the next-door estate, less than 200 metres away from Pistorius' home, close enough, she said, to hear the 4 gunshots inside his bathroom as he fired through the toilet door.
Bang. Bang, bang, bang.
But more importantly, she said she heard the sound of a woman screaming repeatedly in terror before the gun was fired.
It was blood-curdling. It was something that leaves you cold. You can't explain it, you just know that woman's life was really threatened.
That's vital evidence for the prosecution, a sign the couple may have been fighting that night, a possible motive for Pistorius to kill.
You were 177 meters away.
But then Pistorius' lawyer, Barry Rue, went on the attack, wondering if the witness had misheard.
If I tell you that his voice, when he's really anxious, when it pitches, it sounds like a woman. Can you say?
He said other witnesses would swear it was Pistorius shouting for help that night, not Neighbour Steenkamp screaming in fear. And with that, the man some still call the Blade Runner was done for the day. It seems there was no encounter with June Steenkamp in court. Andrew Harding, BBC News, Pretoria.